DTR Productions. DTR Productions.
Yeah. Hey guys, so I'm back. I have finally finished styling this wig and applying it to my head. Now I have had a kind of a brown ombre bob from another company. Instead of just flat ironing this wig out, I decided to add some curls and texture to it. So I got a 6-in-1 curl wand kit from Amazon, and I've been using that with styling my wigs lately. And I think it's a good investment. I thought it was $60, but apparently it's only like $34.99. So if you're interested in that kit, I'll have like a link to it in the description box for you guys. I am getting some shedding, but I did tweeze some of the hair out of the hairline to make it look a bit more natural. The parting space when you first get the wig looks very good. So all I did to the parting space was add the powder, but the hairline was a little bit dense for me, so I did tweeze a little bit out, but not a lot. I only applied the wig to a little bit of the front and then on the right side. I didn't apply any of the got to be glued on the side where I have like the hair, where I have like the bang. I didn't feel like I needed to. And I do like this color. It's a nice warm brown color. I did not bleach the knots on this wig. I just added my Maybelline Fit Me pressed powder in color 330 Toffee, and that's about it. No tangling yet, obviously, because this is the first time that I'm wearing this wig. And also, like shorter wigs, they don't tangle as badly as longer ones. I think this style is really good for this time of year because of the crop style and for hotter weather. I can also see this as an everyday work wig. And I'll give you guys a 360 of how long this is. I think this is 12 inches. I think this is really cute. Yeah, I think this is really cute. I'm glad I decided to get a bob with color, because after a while, like only getting like bobs with just black, I think it's kind of boring sometimes. So I think it's cool to switch it up. And the color is very subtle. It's not like a in-your-face color. It's a nice subtle brown. So if you are interested in this wig or any of the other OMG her hair wigs that I have featured on my channel, definitely check out the description box and I'll have a link in there for you guys. I want to thank them for sending me this wig to showcase to you guys, and I want to thank you guys for supporting my channel. By the time this video goes up, I've probably already told you guys, like, thank you for helping me reach 80K, but I want to thank you guys again. Thank you so much. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and turn on your notifications, and list below some videos that you would like to see. Even if it's not necessarily hair related, let me know. When I get more time, I'm definitely going to be doing a lot more makeup videos, because I love makeup as much as I love hair, maybe even more. So look out for that, and follow me on all of my social media platforms, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.